Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is JJ. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome as well. So in this channel, we do fitness tips and tricks, and we do share a little bit about business mindset and fitness mindset. So if you're interested in that, remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I do a new upload. In today's video, I'll be answering a simple question that I got on my Instagram story, and the question is, does home workout really works, and what does it take to actually do a home workout? So the quick answer to it is that depends on what is your goal, but here are a few tips that I've got for you. So number one, to make the home workout work, you have to know what is your goal and what you are aiming to go for, right? Because you have to have realistic goals and also realistic plans to achieve that particular goal. So for example, if you are looking to boost up your cardiovascular portion, your strength, your cardiovascular endurance, right? Maybe you just want to get a bit of a better stamina. Yes, it does work. And let's say if you want to throw in a little bit of resistance, things like push-ups or maybe just a few books, squat, this kind of thing, it works, right? It still would be able to help you to improve a little bit on your body part that you are training. But let's say today your aim is to be a power lifter, right? And you want to do it a home workout with little to no resistance. That would be unrealistic. That's what I'm talking about, realistic versus unrealistic. That's key point number one. Number two is that staying consistent with yourself and be committed, because most of the home workout that you're gonna do it alone, and that is when a lot of people starts to get lazy and as they start slacking off. So if you are really into committing to hit the goal that you have set in the first key point, then be committed and stay committed. Find ways to stay committed. Maybe let a friend know that you're doing a home workout. It's a 30 days, 60 days, 90 days home workout program, and tell him that you will be sending him a photo every day after you work out, right? So this would actually help you to stay committed, or you commit in your Instagram story saying that I'm gonna do this workout for the next 90 days. So I'll be sharing a short video of my workout or time lapse of my workout every single day. This would help to actually keep you consistent because you have made a commitment to it. And the last one, number three, is that let's say if you are already doing home workout for a certain period of time and you are seeing that your gains has like somehow slowed down or stopped, maybe it's time to consider getting some resistance, for example some dumbbells, some barbells, or even resistance bands and some kettlebells as well. Or probably just look for the option of going to the gym and to increase the resistance that you are able to put onto your body so that you can grow further. These are just a few of my own personal suggestions that I think will benefit you in terms of your home workout and how to progressively improve in your home workout. So if you find this video useful and helpful, remember to hit the like button and share this video with all your friends, all your family, or whoever you know, and on all your social media platforms. Help me to get this out to more people, to hit more people's life and to empower them with more values. So with that said, I would like to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for your time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.